Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by cutting power and confirming 0 volts with a multimeter, safety first. Once done, locate the relay terminals. Coil pins labeled A1 and A2, plus common, no, and NC. You should strip and ferrule wires to prevent fraying. This ensures tight terminal connections and low resistance. Make the first actionable connections now. Attach the control hot to A1 and the neutral or control return to A2, making sure screws are snug but not over-torqued. Once the coil is wired, move to the load side. Attach the incoming power feed to the relay common terminal, then wire the compressor feed to the no terminal so the motor only receives power when the relay pulls in. Make sure conductors match the compressor amp draw. Undersized wire risks overheating. Also add protective devices like an inline fuse, thermal overload, or contactor interlock per the compressor spec. These prevent damage and ensure safe automatic shutoff when needed. You now restore power and apply the control signal while staying clear of moving parts. Listen for the relay click and observe compressor startup. Once engaged, measure voltage at the compressor terminals to confirm correct supply. If the relay does not activate, recheck coil voltage at a 1/A2, ensure all terminal screws are tight, and confirm proper grounding. If the compressor receives power but fails to run, inspect the overload and motor windings. These are common failure points when wire.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.